come here in their droves, this being a fixture that has received so much coverage in the days leading up to it. And it's good to see that we have a good contingent of visiting fans by the look of massive lead. Defence has got rid of that.
That, Peter, is wonderful reading of the game. Perfect positioning. Well played.
Jim, who do you pick out as the telling individual today?
He isn't that relevant. Well, this fella Ramsey can add real thrust to any midfield. He usually likes to start on that right side, makes those supporting runs, combining and rotating well with players in front of him, and his late arrivals into the box are expert.
Well, quite no argument from me on that one. And it's Ramsey. Plays a sharp little ball here. He's in a great veil! Oh, he did the hard part right, but... Casemiro. Poor past that, sloppy. Lovely ball into space. Williams. It's run loose here. It's run loose here. Good run, ultimately thwarted by an astute piece of defending. Crowd appreciates good football all round there. Pressure already building up here. Wilson, Koulibaly gets the better of his opponent and gets the ball. Mepham. And there's his chance to lead the counter. It's Bale! And the keeper has reacted superbly there.
Well, you can't ask for much more than that. A difficult moment he simply had to deal with.
And it's Fabinho. Oh, great header! Davis gets good distance on it. Oh, well played. James, chance to break. Oh, good spread. It's a pretty loose pass. Kaka. And it's Huff, but we're still where we started, 0-0. And that's the start of another 45 minutes. No score in the first half. Who's ready to go for it now? Clips it so gently. Bit of a communication breakdown there, it seems. No messing about, just bludgeoned away. Ramsey puts in a cross. Zakaria tries to clear. Wilson. No luck with that dink over the top. Rodon. Fabinho. Fabinho. Oh, they can break here. Sané. Ampadu. So what can they make of this? Oh, that looks a good ball through. Ampadu. So what can they make of this? Oh, that looks a good ball through. Oh, super find. Casemiro. And the defence can get it clear. Laid out to the left flank. He is through here. That's a promising run he's making on the right. Mepham. And it's lofted through here. And that's been levered clear. Some activity down on the touchline. It seems there's going to be a change. Two fresh faces and both in the front line.
Yeah, and it looks like quite a shake-up to the front line. Interesting, we'll see how it develops.
Now it's Abraham.
Don't you just love the level of intent?
That's Abraham. Great hit! And he's there to make a great save.
Abraham really must have felt he had...
And the finish! And the follow-up! And it's in!
They'll kick themselves if that doesn't turn out to be the clincher. What a time to score.
Deadlock broken, it's 1-0.
Oh, this is fully deserved for me because they've shown great heart and spirit. It's there to win from here, or dare I say, throw it away now.
And that could set him on his way. Bernardo Silva! He's done corner now. Towering header! And yes, it's there! Two up and threatening to pull clear. Two up and very little time left. Surely this is it.
Well, I think if they're going to have any hope from here, they'll need to see their more experienced lads step up to the plate now.
Just seeing the board now, it's going to be 5 extra minutes. And here's the chance to counter. Mepham. Oh, he's managed to pinch it off him. And